Hi everybody from YouTube. This is going to be for my 10,000 subscriber appreciation. There will be a total of 12 people that will actually be picked in this. All the information for it is going to be below the video in the description. Under the video, there's going to be like a description box. If you click show more, it'll drop down and open up where all that information will be. And then you can find out how to enter. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and just show all the things that we're going to be providing, or that I'm going to be providing for this 10K subscriber appreciation. And then you just follow the rules, and then that's pretty much it. It's got all the dates and everything in there as well. Now, first off, there's actually going to be 2 winners that are going to win the line from Brad's Brew. There was a tasty and a yummy. The yummy is actually the this is the Teddy Grahams with marshmallows and stuff like that. Really, really good. I do have a review for it if you want to go ahead and check that out on my YouTube page or YouTube channel. I know it's something about YouTube. And then Brad's Brew Tasty is actually a strawberry marshmallow. Both of them are literally like my favorite marshmallow flavors. So definitely check out those reviews if you haven't already. But both winners will be receiving both. So one winner would get one, and then the other one will get the other. The next thing that is going to be in this is going to be this Vape Captain Kit. This whole kit is actually going to be part of it as well, so there will be one person for this. And I do have a review for it. If you want more information, just go ahead and check out my reviews under the full kits under my playlist. And then we're going to have the Cronus Kit. This is by Sigeli. And this is one of my favorite kits. I actually have the Shikra, which is like, oh, my love. I love it. So yeah, so we've got the Cronus Kit that is going to be included. And there is a review on that as well. Then there's also going to be the Avenger Baby by iJoy. This is in a really, really nice blue tealish, kind of matches my clothes right now, color, and it's really, really nice. It comes with its batteries and everything. This is the only one that does come with batteries. So, and I do have a review for this as well. And then the next one, I do not have a review, but it was donated for the subscriber appreciation. So we're going to go ahead and include this. This is the Smoke V2 Species Kit. So this is going to be included as well. And then also we're going to be including this Smoke ePriv Kit. Again, I have not reviewed this, but it was donated for the purpose of this appreciation. Then we've got the 2-in-1 RTA. This is actually really, really cool, and to be honest with you, I almost kept it, but it was donated for you guys, so I am going to go ahead and include it. So this is also part of it, and this is actually by, RFG Vape, so really, really nice and rainbow. And then we've got the Freemax Mesh Pro. This is literally like one of my favorite mesh tanks, so there we go for that. And then we've got the Salomon RTA. This is actually by Keys or K's or Kai's, or however you want to say it. I call it Keys. So this is also going to be included. And then we've got the Watofo Serpent RTA. This is by Suck My Mod and Watofo. So that's included. And then last but not least is going to be the Sense Screen Tank by Sense. And this is also, I do have a review on this if you want to go ahead and take a look at it. Awesome, awesome flavor for a mesh tank. This is just, the coils are just amazing. So that's it for my subscriber, my 10,000 subscriber appreciation. I want to thank each and every one of you for being a part of this milestone, and I can't wait until the next one. And I appreciate everybody. I love each and every one of you. You guys that have been with me, pretty much like a lot of you have been with me all the way. Some of you are just new to my channel, and I want to welcome you. Please welcome to my family. This is like a family to me. I do have my Monday live streams, which we all get together and just chat about basically nothing and everything at the same time. So I do want to thank each and every one of you. Thank you so much for being a part of my family, and I look forward to the next milestone with you all. And all of the information will be down below. Don't forget to check it out, because you do have to follow the rules in order to be selected. Again, there will be 12 people that are selected in this subscriber appreciation. Yeah, this is gonna be raw. So yeah, so I will see you later on the next one. Bye bye, and thank you so much.